Welcome to the Basics Hub. Are you ready to transform your everyday life with some unique and creative hacks? In today's video, we're diving into a treasure trove of unheard DIY projects and clever hacks that will elevate your home, outdoor space, and workspace. From eco-friendly solutions like DIY reusable food wraps to fun activities, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're looking to organize your workspace or add a touch of creativity to your home, these innovative ideas are sure to inspire you. Let's get started. DIY reusable food wraps. Create eco-friendly food wraps using beeswax, cotton fabric, and jojoba oil. Step 1. Cut cotton fabric into squares. 10 by 10 inches is ideal. Step 2. Melt beeswax and mix with jojoba oil in a double boiler. Step 3. Brush the mixture onto the fabric and place it in the oven at a low temperature, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for a few minutes until the wax melts evenly. Step 4. Let it cool and harden. Use these wraps to cover bowls or wrap sandwiches instead of plastic wrap. DIY air quality monitor with houseplants. Use specific houseplants to monitor indoor air quality. Step 1. Research plants that are known for their air-purifying qualities, such as spider plants, peace lilies, or snake plants. Step 2. Place these plants in areas where you spend the most time. Step 3. Monitor their health. If they start to droop or show signs of stress, it may indicate poor air quality or toxins in your environment.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually
Repurpose old picture frames into serving trays. Turn old picture frames into stylish serving trays. Step 1. Remove the glass from an old picture frame and clean it thoroughly. Step 2. Paint or decorate the frame to match your kitchen decor. Step 3. Attach handles to the sides of the frame using screws or strong adhesive. Step 4. Place a piece of wood or a decorative paper at the bottom for a finished look. Create a vertical garden using pallets. Use wooden pallets to create a vertical garden for herbs or flowers. Step 1. Find an old wooden pallet and sand it down to remove rough edges. Step 2. Lay it flat and fill each slat with potting soil and your choice of plants or herbs. Step 3. Lean the pallet against a wall or fence in your garden area. Step 4. Water regularly and enjoy fresh herbs without taking up much ground space. DIY portable whiteboard using shower curtain liner. Create an inexpensive portable whiteboard using a shower curtain liner. Step 1. Purchase a clear shower curtain liner from a dollar store or home goods store. Step 2. Cut it to your desired size. A standard poster size works well. Step 3. Use dry erase markers directly on the liner for notes, brainstorming sessions, or planning. Create an office supply caddy from an old lunchbox. Repurpose an old lunchbox into an office supply caddy. Step 1. Clean out any old lunchbox thoroughly. Ensure it's free from food residue. Step 2. Organize supplies like pens, sticky notes, scissors, etc. inside. Consider adding dividers if needed. Step 3. Carry this caddy around your workspace as needed. Perfect for shared spaces. If you enjoyed these unique hacks and DIY projects, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more creative ideas. Share your favorite hack in the comments below, and let us know what you'd like to see next. Remember to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.